Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening DevTools, right-click the page element and choose Inspect. You need the Elements panel visible so you can see the DOM and the currently selected node. Once done, hover over the node to highlight the area on the page and make sure device mode, or a matching zoom, is set for layout accuracy. This first step establishes context so the styles you inspect correspond to what you see on screen. With the element selected, focus on the Styles pane. You'll see CSS rules in cascade order, which explains why one rule overrides another. Once you read them, switch to Computed to confirm final values and spot inherited properties. If a value looks wrong, click the file name or line number to jump to the style sheet. This reveals the original rule and makes edits simple. Also, toggle or uncheck declarations to test changes. Now make changes. Edit properties inline or add new rules to experiment. To keep edits beyond refresh, set up local overrides or a DevTools workspace so your changes persist while you test. If edits don't show, clear the cache and hard reload and make sure browser extensions are not interfering. If rules still fail, inspect specificity and media queries. You might be looking at a different breakpoint. This troubleshooting step saves time and reveals why a rule didn't.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.